Hi, in front of me is Listo SP50 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now find recorder and tap on it. Then choose allow and tap on this orange button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on save at the bottom right corner. Then name it however you want to and click save again. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. You can always delete it though by clicking on the three dots next to it and choosing delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!